Ever thought trading is just for millionaires and analysis experts? Think again! With today's strategy, all you need is 5 bucks to start, and even beginners without deep technical knowledge can profit. I will walk you through it step by step, just stick around until the end of this video. Hi friends, Agatha here, your guide to financial freedom. I've been a professional trader for 7 years, boasting an 89% win rate. Over the last year, I raked in more than $1.5 million. Last week was exceptional. I made 59,000 bucks using a new strategy. Today, I'll show you how it works in detail, so you too can access unlimited earnings on binary options. You can start your journey towards wealth right now. Join my Telegram community where more than 37,000 participants copy my trades, earning over $4,100 daily together. Get my personal support for free. Interested? The link is in the description and pinned comment. Alright, let's dive in. Subscribe, ring the bell, and let's go to the strategy. Now, 3 preparatory steps on my favorite Quadex platform. Alright, candlestick time frame 30 seconds, trade time a minute. Now let's choose our currency pairs: the Australian dollar and the Canadian dollar, the US dollar and the Brazilian real, the US dollar and the Indian rupee, and the Australian dollar and the Swiss franc. Over the course of the week, these pairs have brought me the most profit. The most crucial moment, selecting indicators. We will use stochastic and relative strength index, RSI. More about them in a bit. Now let's get down to business. Let's see the first pair. The upward trend continues, and both indicators signals an upward movement. So up we go. And well done! And here comes the first profit. I made 9 bucks. Shall we continue? Moving on the second pair, the US dollar and the real. Putting in the $8 amount right away. The market is going down with large bearish momentums, suggesting candles are forming a new support level. So let's click down. So now we wait a little. And awesome! We've just started and already earned 70 bucks. Tripled my deposit. Let's not waste time and move on to the third pair. The trend is clearly going up. Despite slight consolidation, the candles are too young for a downward impulse. So I'm thinking we go up. And boom! Great job! Well, friend, I was right. We already have 32 bucks in our account. Mirror my actions and you can start earning money from any amount. Now let me teach you how to read today's indicators. So, the stochastic oscillator shows how close the current price is to the maximum or minimum for a certain period. Values above 80 mean the asset is overbought and the price will likely fall. Values below 20 mean the asset is oversold and the price is expected to rise soon. The relative strength index, RSI, measures speed and price changes. Values above 70 indicate the asset is overbought and downward correction is likely. Values below 30 indicate the asset is oversold and the price is beginning to recover. When both indicators give similar signals, you can make a decision with a win rate of 95%. By the way, I have a video where I demonstrate how to trade using my favorite pair of indicators. So feel free to rewatch this video. It's the most useful information for beginners on trading. Now let's continue. Oh my, what's going on with the fourth pair? Look, the momentums of both our indicators are signaling an increase in price. Let's hit that up button. Bang bang! This is what I call a competent choice of indicators. Meanwhile, my balance is already at $63. We've increased our starting capital 12 times, but we are not thinking about stopping. Let's continue the session. On the first pair of the Australian and the Canadian dollars, the situation is unstable. I don't want to risk money, so we will skip the pair and move on to the next one. We are on to the second pair. Let's set the amount to 63. Now let's look at the situation on the chart. What do we have here? The chart has dropped to the support level and the momentum should push the market upwards. clicking up. And got it! A very rare situation, the market froze and we got a refund of 63 bucks. Let's change the pair. The US dollar and the rupee pair. It's obvious here the candle will go up. Look at the stochastic indicator. We trust the signal and hit that up button. Bam! This is what the right decision looks like. We've made 121 bucks. We warmed up quite well, and of course we won't stop there because we can earn much more. Friends, you can see for yourself how easy it is to make money on binary options with an assistant like me. So I suggest you don't waste time and take a step towards high income and financial freedom. Join my community of successful traders on Telegram. More than 37,000 subscribers are already earning an average of $500 per session just by following my signals. This is the best solution for those who are just starting their journey in trading. I always explain everything as simply, clearly, and detailed as possible. In just a couple of days, you will earn your first money without major investments or experience. The link to the channel is in the description under this video and in the pinned comment. Well, we see that after a downtrend there is sideways movement, but the momentum is decreasing. So we're gonna click down on this one. Done! Did you see that? We are nailing it! We've got 230 bucks in the account. I've already increased the starting amount by 4,500%. Let's not stop there and continue. The situation in the first pair is still very risky. The market is difficult to predict. Let's skip the pair once again. Let's move on to the second pair. Stochastic gives a clear signal that the market has overbought and the price is moving downwards. In this situation, we follow the trend and go for a down bet. Yes! Amazing! We have 441 bucks in our account, and all thanks to our super strategy. Let's move on. All members of my Telegram channel know no risk or rash decisions, only high-quality technical analysis can lead us to success. Let's take a closer look at what's happening. From our historical high, a new downward trend has started and we're following it, clicking down. Well done! We made 847 bucks. Where else could you make over 500 bucks in just 10 minutes? Moreover, absolutely legally and online, sitting at home with just a laptop. But we are not planning to stop, are we? Let's move on to a new trading pair. The market is moving sideways, but indicators signal a possible change in the growth trend. Expecting the price to go up, so we go in the same direction. Up it is! Oh, bummer! Unfortunately, we've got a refund for the second time today. The market simply went into a long consolidation and the candles are practically not moving. Let's go to the first pair. Just look at the signals from the indicators. It's definitely going up, so we follow, clicking up. Oh my god, we've reached 1,609 bucks in the bag. Gorgeous! This is what competent chart analysis does to your balance. See how important it is to know the nitty-gritty of working with indicators. Like this video if you appreciate me revealing important secrets of binary options trading. Let's go into one more trade. We are seeing a very curious situation. A downward trend that updates its local minimums over and over again. Therefore, the correct choice would be to sell, clicking down. Great job! And that was the right decision. Profit again. Let's add another 1,920 bucks. I think we should carry out one more trade and move on to the final calculations. The US dollar and the rupee. Here we're also seeing a quite powerful upward momentum. It seems that the market is not going to stop. Let's follow the trend. Up we go. And profit! Fantastic! Wow, that was exciting! We started with just $5 and using our awesome strategy today, we were able to earn $3,449. And this is an incredible result. If you have $5, you can earn $500 a day, even if you are completely new to trading. How so? The answer is waiting for you on my free Telegram channel. Trade using my signals along with more than 37,000 subscribers and contribute to earning $500,000 a day altogether. I will support you and explain how to use Quotex and which buttons to press. I'll tell you everything in detail and completely for free. All you have to do is copy my trades. The risk is minimal because the win rate of my trades is above 89%. My subscribers constantly thank me and shower me with gratitude because trading and signals are not difficult at all, especially when you have an experienced guide. And passive income of $500 every day is awesome! Just follow the first link in the description or in the pinned comment under this video. Shoot me a private message and see for yourself. So that's all for now. Peace out, friends. See you on my cozy Telegram channel. Bye bye.